No, Mom, you're not sneaky.
Wait, tell me what you're doing.
Mom, I'm not 5 years old. I know how this game works.
That's fine, but tell me what you're doing. Stop! What are you doing?
I'm turning this heavy whipping cream, grade A, ultra pasteurized milk into butter.
And your dad bet you what?
$20 and I couldn't do it in half an hour.
But he said that wasn't gonna work.
I know. And it's been like 5 minutes and it's...
Whoa. Whoa.
Alright, you can stop it now.
Okay.
Wait on you, Ethan. It's your turn.